How do I reset my Honeywell thermostat?
Hello and welcome. In this video, I will guide you through the process of resetting your Honeywell thermostat. If you're experiencing issues with your thermostat or simply want to start fresh, resetting it can often resolve common problems. So, let's get started.
Identifying your Honeywell thermostat model.
The first step is to identify the model of your Honeywell thermostat. Honeywell produces a range of thermostat models, and the reset process can vary depending on the specific model you own. To find the model number, you can check the device itself or refer to the user manual that came with your thermostat. Once you have the model number, you're ready to proceed.
Resetting your Honeywell thermostat.
Now that you know your thermostat model, let's look at how to perform a reset. Please note that resetting your thermostat will erase any customized settings and revert it to its default configuration. Depending on your model, there are a few different methods to reset your Honeywell thermostat. I will cover the two most common methods. Method 1. Basic reset. For some Honeywell thermostat models, you can perform a basic reset by following these steps. 1. Locate the reset button on your thermostat. The location of the reset button can vary, but it's usually found on the front or side of the device. 2. Use a paper clip or a small tool to press and hold the reset button for about 5 seconds. 3. Release the reset button after the time has elapsed. 4. Your Honeywell thermostat should now reset and return to its default settings. Method 2. Advanced reset. For certain Honeywell thermostat models with more advanced features, you may need to perform an advanced reset. Here's how. 1. Access the Advanced Settings menu. To do this, press and hold the menu button on your thermostat for about 5 seconds until the Advanced Settings menu appears. 2. Navigate through the menu options using the arrow keys on your thermostat until you find the Reset or Factory Reset option. 3. Select the Reset option by pressing the appropriate button, often the Select or OK button. 4. A confirmation message will likely appear on the screen. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the reset process. 5. Your Honeywell thermostat will now reset and return to its default settings. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to reset your Honeywell thermostat. Remember, performing a reset erases any customized settings, so you may need to reconfigure your thermostat after the reset. If you have any further questions or encounter difficulties, please refer to your thermostat's user manual or contact Honeywell's customer support for additional assistance. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful. Have a great day!